Restoring the Dream. A Journey Through Language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the beautiful world of the English language together. Today, we're diving into an inspiring phrase, restoring the dream. This expression is not just about words. It's about hope, ambition, and the journey to reclaim what once was lost. Let's embark on this journey to understand its depth and how you can use it to enhance your English communication. The phrase, restoring the dream, combines two powerful concepts, restoring and the dream. Restoring refers to the act of bringing something back to its original condition, or to a state of health and vitality. It's about repair and rejuvenation. On the other hand, the dream signifies an ideal, aspiration, or a cherished goal. It's what we yearn for, our deepest desires and hopes. When combined, restoring the dream speaks to a powerful journey of recovery and aspiration. It suggests a process of healing or returning to a state of possibility and promise. It's often used in contexts where there's a desire to bring back lost ideals, to rejuvenate hope in individuals or communities, and to strive towards achieving once again what seems to have been lost or diminished. Understanding the context in which restoring the dream is used is crucial. This phrase can be applied in various scenarios, each carrying its unique shade of meaning. Personal ambition. For an individual, restoring the dream could mean overcoming personal setbacks to achieve one's life goals. Social and cultural renewal. In a societal context, it might refer to efforts to revive lost cultural heritage, social justice, or communal harmony. Environmental conservation. When it comes to nature, restoring the dream could symbolize efforts to rehabilitate the environment and protect endangered ecosystems. In literature, speeches, or everyday conversation, the meaning of the phrase can shift subtly based on the speaker's intention and the listener's interpretation. To fully grasp restoring the dream, let's look at some examples. In a speech, we are here today to commit ourselves to restoring the dream of a world where peace and harmony reign. Personal motivation. After years of setbacks, I'm focused on restoring the dream I once had of becoming a professional artist. Cultural context. This festival is about restoring the dream of our ancestors, celebrating our rich heritage and traditions. Each example highlights how the phrase can inspire action and reflection across different aspects of life. Understanding and using the phrase, restoring the dream, enriches our language and our lives. It's a powerful expression of hope, resilience, and the undying human spirit to aspire for better, regardless of the challenges faced. We hope this exploration inspires you to think about your dreams and how you might restore them in your life or help others do the same. Thank you for joining us today. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and let's continue our journey through the English language together. See you in our next video.